Before we delve into the tale of Octava, it's essential to understand the world she comes from. The early 20th century marked a golden age for sailing enthusiasts, particularly in Scandinavia. It was during this time that the skerry cruiser class was born, a class of sailboats that prioritized both speed and elegance. These boats, with their sleek lines and minimalistic designs, were created to navigate the intricate waterways and open seas of the Nordic countries. The skerry cruisers were not just vessels, they were a statement of artistry and innovation. Crafted meticulously by master boat builders, each cruiser was a unique blend of form and function. Their design allowed them to glide effortlessly through the water, making them a favorite among sailors who sought both performance and beauty. As we journey through the story of Octava, remember that she is a part of this rich heritage. The skerry cruiser class is more than just a category of boats. It represents a tradition of excellence and a passion for the sea that has endured for over a century. On the southeast coast of Norway, where the Oslofjord meets the open sea, lies the charming town of Soon. Built in 1920, Octava is not just a sailboat. She is a symbol of traditional craftsmanship and local pride. Octava is a 52 square meter cruiser. Her graceful lines a testament to the skill of her designer, Isdahl-Engh. Built by Jac M Iversen of solid oak and pine, she embodies the spirit of a bygone era. Her design evokes thoughts of tranquil summer sails and the adventure of exploring the Norwegian coastline. Through the decades, she has witnessed changing times, changing hands several times before finding her way back to Soon. Octava's story is about the journeys she has taken and the people she has touched, all under the legacy of Isdahl-Engh's design and Jac M Iversen's craftsmanship. The year 1920 marked the beginning of a new decade, and in Jac M Iversen's small boatyard, a new vessel was taking shape. The scent of fresh timber and the rhythmic clang of hammers filled the air as Octava was carefully brought to life. Her hull, crafted from robust oak planks, promised durability, while the pine used for the deck and superstructure lent a lighter touch. With her generous sail area, she could harness the power of the wind and glide effortlessly over the waves. Launched into the clear waters of the Oslofjord, Octava embarked on her maiden voyage, her sails proudly set against the horizon. Her early years were marked by the thrill of exploring the beautiful coastline. These were simpler times when sailing was more than just a hobby, it was a way of life. As the years passed, Octava bore witness to a changing world. Coastal communities grew, technology advanced, and sailing became a popular leisure activity. Through these changes, Octava remained a steadfast figure, her classic lines and solid construction a reminder of a bygone era. From seasoned sailors to families seeking adventure, Octava welcomed them all, creating memories to last a lifetime. But, as with all things, time took its toll, and Octava began to show signs of wear and tear. By the early 1990s, Octava's condition had deteriorated, and her future seemed uncertain. Fortunately, her fate was noticed by a group of enthusiasts in Soon who understood her historical significance. They knew that Octava was more than just an old boat. She was a living link to the town's maritime heritage. A local foundation was established with the goal of raising funds and leading the restoration. Experienced boat builders with knowledge passed down through generations were engaged to carry out the meticulous work. Rotten timbers were replaced with carefully selected oak and pine. The original techniques meticulously replicated to preserve Octava's authenticity. Today, Octava stands as a proud symbol of Soon's maritime heritage. Originally a 75 square meter skerry cruiser, Octava was proven to be over-rigged. Skerry cruisers or square meter yachts are typically wooden and built according to the square meter rule. Originating from Sweden, these yachts were most popular in the Baltic Sea, though they also saw popularity in other European countries and the United States. Octava's story is a reminder that the past is not something to be forgotten, but rather a source of knowledge and inspiration. Her enduring legacy lies not only in her elegant lines and solid construction, but in the sense of community she represents. Octava's survival is a testament to the power of collective effort and the importance of preserving our shared history. She stands as an inspiration, not just for the people of Soon, but for all who believe in the enduring power of our heritage.